And now I want to introduce Elizabeth Schwartz, who's going to make a presentation to our first international winner.
Thank you, Bill. Johnny Appleseed. Love that. It's an honor to be with you all today, and it's a particular personal honor to have the opportunity to recognize Fabiana Quaini. For almost 35 years, Fabiana Quaini has been practicing international family law, breaking ground in Argentina and worldwide. Whether in Spanish, English, Italian, or French, Fabiana blazes trails worldwide. She handled the very first Argentine international adoption and gestational surrogacy cases, making it possible in Argentina for gay daddies to be actual daddies. Nobody got that joke? Wow, yeah, thank you. Wake up, people. Thank you, baby. Jeez Louise. Man, I know food's coming, but actual daddies? Okay. So she currently has a case pending in front of the Argentina Supreme Court on behalf of two fathers seeking to have recognition of their parental rights. Fabiana handles international child kidnapping cases, even recovering an abducted child from China. In a case of first impression. She does child abduction cases in Hague and non-Hague countries, which is really, really challenging work. Fabiana first showed up in my office in Miami in 2012 with a big smile and a dream to help her clients form and protect their families. Since then, she's become a valued member of the International Academy of, I still call it IAML, but I understand it's now International Academy of Family Lawyers, and the Academy of Adoption and Assisted Reproduction Attorneys. So Friday is the Family Law Institute. It's a bunch of other institutes. The Family Law Institute, which is a joint project of the National Center for Lesbian Rights and the National LGBT Bar. Our own Johnny Appleseed, Bill Singer, who should be getting this award, frankly, every single year, but I guess there's rules against that, is the founder, and so FLI has happened all over the world. And what it does is it brings together attorneys who do LGBTQ plus family law in different regions, and in many cases they're meeting colleagues who are doing this kind of work in their regions for the first time ever. So our FLI that's Friday is U.S. attorneys. You all have done FLI in Germany and the UK and Australia, and I won't even name everywhere. But Fabiana hosted the first Latin American FLI earlier this year and brought together attorneys from 6 countries throughout Latin America. And it was a real lifeline for the folks who had the opportunity to attend. And through the challenges that Fabiana faces making law in hostile regions, she maintains her infectious smile and her deep passion. She makes time for pro bono efforts so that everyone can have competent legal representation. And for these reasons and more, the National LGBT Bar is very proud to present Fabiana Quaini with the Leading Practitioner Award.
Okay, thank you very much to be here. We have a great meeting in Mendoza last March. It was amazing. It was great that we could be all together, attorneys from North America, Central America, and South America. As a result of the meeting, we create the FLI list server so we can not only keep in touch, but also we can learn and share documents so we can help one to each other with our experience and we can make change every day. Since then, 3 main events happened. The first decision in Colombia, the polyamorous decision concerning 3 men that took place in a probate matter. Also now, our Supreme Court in Argentina will decide for the first time a surrogacy case concerning two dads and the recognition of their son. And in Chile, we are now fighting to recognize two mothers on the birth certificate. So our next FLI meeting will take place in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic is a country where same-sex marriage is not allowed. So I want to thank first Bill Singer, who make it possible. Bill also started learning Spanish language to understand better Latin America attorney. Maybe just to drink better wines, better food too. I also want to thank Angie Martel, who was on the first meeting, and he's also all the time helping the LGBT community. And remember, we need your support to go on work on Latin America. You are the future of the LGBT rights, and we need your help too. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias.
Thank you, everyone.